Good morning, welcome to a morning review on Monday the 9th of March. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at euro dollar first, and as you can see we've sold off pretty strongly on Friday, a continuation of this move that we saw for most of last week, down to the monthly midi now. There is a chance we could see a bit of a rally as we work through the day. Quite often when we see such a strong sell-off we get some sort of retracement. Possible target back to that 1.0905 sort of area. However, all the time watching for a break of these lows. If I see a break of these lows, I'll take a move short. I'll be very much on the short side there. So just watching out for those quite carefully. Now, as I say, potential moves are certainly there for them at the moment towards that upside. Looking at cable. Whilst this is reloading, just a reminder that the US clocks have gone back over the weekend, so they're gone forward actually. So they're now sitting on an hour difference to us. So there's only actually 4 hours difference and not 5. So looking at the pound dollar here. Again, strong sell-off, amazingly strong. It looks significantly more than what we saw on the euro. In fact, we sold off every single day last week. Seeing a bit of a retrace at the moment. Again, we've got a potential upside target of about 150.108. Now again, as with the euro, if we do start seeing it sell towards the lows, I would potentially be looking at the shorts on the break of this figure. Just got to watch out for bit of an early morning sort of fake out, so just will watch for that. But if there is a break of that sort of trend line around about the 8 o'clock area, I'll be looking to go with that to the downside and potentially looking for Friday's lows initially and maybe more. But any rallies, as I say, looking for a 151 target. Okay, looking at the dollar yen, and again, whilst waiting for this to load, there's not a lot in the way of significant news out this morning, or today should I say. It's one of those quiet days in terms of significant news, although we've got the Eurogroup meetings going on, so there is a potential that we could see some price action on the euro coming from that as members start talking to the press. Okay, dollar yen. Again, this effectively sold off against the dollar rallying upwards, broke some significant highs here in terms of where it previously. It didn't quite get to sort of new near-term highs at that 121.81 area, but it's not far off it now, and any sort of push up that way could see that sort of figure achieved. Now currently we've sort of done this failed double top almost. It's rallied up again. We've had to retrace, rallied back up, and now currently selling off again. But there is a chance that it could just run back down towards that daily pivot. Actually, I've just crossed that. That's not a complete trend there. It did have a spike down on the midnight hour bar there, so that has been touched. There's not necessarily a high probability of this coming back down, but if we do see some strength in the other majors, maybe the follow suit. Moving on then to the Aussie dollar finally, and again, sell off on Friday. Now that we did sell off not quite as harshly over the week as the other pairs did. Pulled back to pretty much where the low close on these previous markets. Has the potential to go back and test those ultimate lows again. I'm sure that it would almost like it, as they see their currency overvalued still. The Reserve Bank of Australia, they'd like to see a bit more continuation to the downside, but for now there are some upside targets of around about 0.7755. Quite a long ask, or big ask I think, in terms of where we are. In fact, that may be slightly wrong. Let me just check on that. That's better. Yep, it's in the right place. Just it's all right, the pivots were moved a bit weirdly there. So there is that potential. Any sell-off again, looking at, you just got to watch what's happening here in terms of if there is a sell-off, remembering we are in a downward trend. Any sell-off the lows, maybe looking for the be on the short side at that point, but at the moment, as I say, it looks like it may be running back towards its monthly pivot, daily pivot sort of area at that 77.55, perhaps 62 area. Right, that's it for me. Hope you have a great day. Bye for now.